Hello guys and welcome back to Core on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the craziest road moments Core on driver's dashcam, and he'll start this episode off with a spine-chilling crash aftermath that the camera caught on his dashcam. We don't know exactly how it all happened, but multiple vehicles got involved. Out of all the vehicles in traffic, it had to be a driving school vehicle, and with a driving instructor inside it, he told his learner to move like that. Unbelievable, guys. In this video, you will see a completely selfish and rude driver who stops in the middle of the road, blocks the entire traffic from behind him just so he could let a kid out of his car. Unbelievable how self-entitled some drivers behave nowadays.
Positive HER2-negative MBC as the first hormonal-based therapy. Ask your doctor about Ibrance and visit Ibrance.com.
Wow.
Ibrance may cause low white blood cell count that may lead to serious infections. Ibrance may cause severe inflammation of the lungs. Both of these can lead to death. Tell your doctor.
So he's not going to even stop right now. Look at him, look at him. Oh my god, no. Holy dude, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Leave an inheritance to my children, because a good man leaves an inheritance to his children's children. Remember that David didn't build the temple, Solomon did with his dad's money. It was an inheritance. It was an
Bro, you're in lane.
For 1.5 miles.
Holy shit. Really, because I was gonna print him out.
Like a lot of our general rubbish is shivers.
This is what poor road conditions can do to you guys. Please, be sure to drive carefully and ease up on the accelerator, otherwise you might spin out in the middle of the road. Luckily, this guy didn't cause an accident. Traffic is becoming more dangerous with each passing day, and in this video you'll see exactly why, because we have some drivers who run a red light and at a high rate of speed as well.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Core on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe learning a thing or two on how to properly behave in traffic. If you truly like this type of content, don't hesitate to leave a like, because that would mean the world to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe, guys.